Okay guys, let's see how we can make $200 in today's video, and of course we will be analyzing the market together. We'll be analyzing different assets and see how we can go about it. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here. However, if you have any other question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and of course let's go straight right now into what we have right here. So this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame, and I'm using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right here. Okay, so this is actually the support region. Okay, and this had been on downtrend right from this resistance zone, so till it got here, had a pullback, then went down again, and it got to this section, had a pullback, went down below it, went back up again, and played around there for a while before going up. Okay, this is actually on buy trend at the moment, and of course once it breaks out from this resistance zone, we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, it is on buy trend. If you're not good at spikes trading, then I will advise you to stay away from the market. But if you love trading spike, then this is a good opportunity for you. Okay, so I expect it to buy till it get to this section, most especially once it breaks out from here. Okay, and if it breaks out from this section, then it should be getting to the upper part of the charts. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so now let's see the next asset, which is going to be boom 500. This is boom 500. It had been on uptrend right from this support zone, and of course it's kept on spiking up and up till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out above it, so it came down and played around there for a while, just the way you're seeing it. But right now it went up above the resistance zone, and it is still buying at the moment. Okay, so if it's unable to break out from the next resistance zone, which happened to be somewhere here, then it will go back on downtrend. But you will need to wait for every necessary signal before you can say it is going back on downtrend, most especially if you are having this trading tool. It makes it very easy for you to identify all this signal, and if it is going back on downtrend, we expect it to get to this region as the next TP. Okay, this is very important, and if it breaks out from there, then definitely we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, but for now it is still very much on uptrend buying at the moment. Okay, let's move on guys. This is now crash 1000. It had been on downtrend before, but right from here it started an uptrend, got to this resistance zone, at the pullback, and it's going back there again. Once it breaks out from there, then we expect it to get to this spot. Okay, once it breaks out from there, we expect it to get to this spot, and of course that's going to be a huge profit for each and every one of us. So it should be more of a buying opportunity for that also. Let's check out crash 500 right now. Okay, so this is crash 500, and just the way we have seen this had been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course it actually got to this spot, and of course it was unable to break out from there, and of course it tried to go back on uptrend, but right here is the resistance zone. It has not been able to break out above it, almost got there this time around again, and it is going down, crashing down again. It might be trying it again, and of course once it breaks out above it, in short, it will be trying it again. Once it breaks out above it, then definitely we expect it to move up till it get to this particular region. Okay, and of course once it breaks out region, once it breaks out above this, okay, we expect it also to get to this spot. Okay, so that is it. So guys, you guys can take advantage of this opportunity right from here. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow, like this video, and share this video with friends and family.